Welcome back, everybody. We know that acupuncture can treat a number of health problems. It's been around a long time.
Yes, a very long time.
Yeah, like before I was born.
Well before that. You know, we've heard it being used to treat fertility problems, PMS, low libido, menopause, and so much more. Dr. Ed Lamadrid is here to explain the benefits of doing something like this, especially it's a natural approach.
It is a natural approach. A lot of people are rediscovering acupuncture because it's so effective for a lot of the ailments that we deal with day to day. And a lot of people don't want to take a lot of medications or go in for other things. So why not try? Why not try acupuncture?
So we got you a patient here.
We do.
Ty. We'll let him leave the studio.
Nope. We needed a model. And okay, so you've got his leg.
So I've got his leg, and so basically, in acupuncture, the whole body is run by a network of energy vessels. And if something goes wrong with that system, we look at it as an energy problem. So either too little energy, too much energy, or what happens with a lot of people, there's a blockage of energy, like a traffic jam, if you will. So what I do on these points that we recognize, the needle actually is able to manipulate some of that energy. So either boost it up, release it, or calm it down.
Okay.
Is this for any particular ailment?
No, these are some of the more common points that we would use. So for energy...
Oh, so just for increasing energy, overall body energy.
I could use that.
Okay, now there goes the needle.
Didn't feel a thing.
No?
He didn't
Really?
feel
There you
nothing.
go. How'd it feel?
Nothing. You didn't feel anything.
That's the biggest misconception, I think, is that it's painful, right?
It is. Well, and a lot of people look at this and they kind of wonder, well, how can sticking needles in me make me feel better?
Yeah.
And then the other thing is getting over the needle part of it.
Right. If you're afraid of needles.
So now typically how many needles would you do here?
So
for
in
energy?
a normal treatment, I might do 10 to 14 needles. Remember, we're doing it on both sides. And the patient might be resting for maybe 20 to 25 minutes.
With the needles
With the needles in.
But are you mostly in the legs?
No, I mean, there are points all over the place. Could be in the arms, could actually be in the face, could be in the top of the head.
Wow.
Depending on the ailment. Like, I would imagine, I know many women come in for fertility issues, and I know one in particular that had much success with acupuncture and
tried
being
everything else, couldn't do it,
and being able to finally get pregnant. Where would you place needles, say, if you were doing something along those lines?
Well, so the interesting thing about that, acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine is a very customized medicine, meaning so that if I have 10 people that are coming in with low back pain, they might get 10 different treatments. And so the same when we're dealing with infertility, and a lot of acupuncturists are actually pairing up with fertility clinics because the studies have been showing that acupuncture actually helps all of those procedures work better. All of those medications work better. So, so for this, maybe 10 to 12 points for infertility could be anywhere. Could be the legs, arms.
Now, where are you located?
So I'm located in Chicago and New York.
Oh, okay.
I've got family here in Phoenix. And I also wanted to mention next week, October 24th, is Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine Day, which the governor has declared as a recognized awareness day for the state of Arizona.
Now, if we wanted to seek this type of treatment, how do we go about finding the right person?
So
the right doctor?
you definitely want to find the right person. You don't want to get anybody who's done a weekend workshop in needle.
Right.
Please, no.
Right? Right? So there's a website. It's a national website that certifies all the licensed acupuncturists in the country. It's www.nccaom.org.
Maybe we can put that
website.
link on our website.
And all you got to do is put in your
everyone.
zip code. You'll find licensed practitioners in your area.
Okay.
Doctor, thank you for coming.
My
Nice
pleasure.
meeting you.
My
I feel
pleasure.
energized already.
Do you feel a sudden burst of energy?
I feel like I'm ready to take on this Friday by the horns.
Okay,
All right, job accomplished.
But it's only in his right leg.
My left leg is like,
You'll
no.
be skipping on that leg. All right.
Thank you, Ty, for being such a good sport,
You
by the way.
bet.